Hey, what's happening guys? My name is Saurav and welcome to another video for Element Solutions. And this video I'm going to talk about how you can fix if Windows Store application isn't working for you or Windows Store itself isn't opening in your Windows 11 machine. So in order to fix it, all you have to do is that just go to Windows search bar and type cmd and run it as administrator. If the taskbar itself is not working, like when you're going to the search bar and if it's not working, what you can do is that you can use a key combination in order to launch the run window. Use a key combination of Windows button and then R, and this is the run window. Here you have to type cmd and then instead of directly pressing OK, use a key combination in order to launch this cmd as administrator. The key combination is you can use Control Shift and Enter. Once you do that, like the cmd prompt, the cmd command will be launched as administrator here. Now you have to type a command that is basically sfc/scan now. Once you do that, the scan will be started and this will take some time in order to complete it. So just let's wait for the scan to be completed. Now here the scan is completed. The next step is again use the key combination of Windows plus R, and here you just have to type WSRESET. Once you do that, it will launch Windows Store and it should be fixed now. It is now resetting the Windows Store and now it should be fixed and you can install application from the Windows Store. If it is still not working, all you have to do is that go to Windows search bar and type settings, and here go to system, scroll down a bit and go to troubleshoot. Once you click on it, you just have to go to other troubleshooters and here scroll down a bit and now click on run on Windows Store apps and it will start troubleshooting Windows Store. And now this is giving me a suggestion to reset an app. So I'll just quickly click on open apps and features. And here I'll search store. And I'll go to this three icon over here. I'll click on advanced options. And if I scroll down a bit, here we have a reset button. We'll click on it and we'll reset the data. And now since the reset has completed successfully, I'll click on next. And now you can see that I'm getting this sort of message that it is fixed. Hanging or crashing apps is fixed. Now I'll close the troubleshooter and I'll go to Windows search bar and type Windows Store. If the taskbar isn't working for you, kindly restart the computer and then the taskbar will start working, and here then you can search Windows Store and it should be working fine now. If any of the app isn't working for you, go to apps and go to like apps and features. Let's suppose like a music application like Amazon Music isn't working for me. I'll just click on this 3 icons over here. I'll go to advanced options and I'll reset this. And once the app is resetted, if I'll try to execute the app, it'll work absolutely fine. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful to you. So do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on review, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye bye.